Hey guys, Cooper here, Diesel Power Products, and we're in the warehouse today with PPE going over this fancy cast piece. Tell us a little bit about this bridge.
Yeah, so these thermostat housing bridges here, we made them just as a normal maintenance wear for part for you guys with the 6.6 Duramaxes. This one here is for LB7, but we have them all the way LB7 up to LMMs. Great quality upgrade for you guys that might be, maybe doing a coolant dump and replacing your cooling system, or, doing a refresh on the system there. You're gonna wanna go ahead and replace this because you do get cavitation and pitting inside of the internals here. Like I said, a great quality upgrade if you're doing thermostats, or maybe you're just doing a coolant dump, maybe you're a bypass tube. So a great overall upgrade for you guys. It comes with a lifetime warranty.
Ooh, lifetime warranty, we like that one. If you have any questions on this product or want to get something for your truck, check the link in the description or visit the website, dieselpowerproducts.com.